Baotin Smart Technology, Guangdong Company Limited, is located in Guangdong Province, which has the strongest economic and manufacturing strength in China. It has 15 years of smart lock manufacturing and sales history with CE, FCC, ROSE, independent patents, and other certificates, and in September 2022, it won the honorary title of Top 4 Supplier in the Lock and Key Industry issued by Alibaba. It has its own strong factory, R&D, production, QC, warehouse, sales, operation, after-sales, and support teams with many employees and strong strength. Why choose us? First, manufacturing and sales smart locks for 15 years. Second, we are one of the best-priced smart lock supplier on the platform. Third, OEM, ODM, drop shipping available. Fourth, all products will be strictly quality checked before packing. Fifth, fast delivery, 1 to 5 days for sample order, 7 to 30 days for bulk order. Sixth, support 1-year warranty. Seventh, provide high-definition photos, installation, and operation video. Eighth, 7 multiply 16 hours of after-sales service, replied within 2 hours. Our mission, a reliable OEM and ODM manufacturer that provides cost-effective, easy-to-use, safe and think different smart locks. Our vision, accelerate the transformation of household products around the world to intelligence. Our business philosophy is small profits but quick turnover. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.